I found this recipe in this book. Amaretti cookies are traditional Italian cookies. Hi everyone, we're making chocolate amaretti cake. For the best aroma, we will grate oranges and the food processor. We mix cookies and almonds. We need 4 eggs and we don't need to separate them. I don't need any help. Now we're adding cookies and nuts mix. Now we're adding melted chocolate. Now we pour it. This is the best brownie I ever had. Now can I eat it? Thank you, Giada, for this recipe. Sorry, didn't decorate the cake because we ate it. Now we will have family party and watch Christmas ballet. Happy holidays.